Hey guys, last week I showed you guys where I plant all these red peas, and this is just 1 week. This tree, this corn tree, it was real small if you remember. I also got, it's not big, but got my first bunch of callaloo. And I gotta come and tie these tomatoes against the back here. I went and got some eggs. Alright. Remember my grow pot? Raised bed. I had nothing but red peas, red kidney beans, and all this. I got peppers. I got a lot of stuff coming up in here. Arugula. This right here is sweet potato, red sweet potato. Lots of arugula, red peas. Got peppers in there. So this is what it looks like. And this is just 1 week. Tomorrow I got new fence line and fence, gonna put that up tomorrow. These are the string beans. And let me go check on the maypot. Okay, the chocho, aka chayote, it's coming up. This one I got, it's 2 coming up. Okay, the maypop's doing good, but I don't know what's going on with the oh, I see it's trying to. This is the purple passion fruit. I don't know what's going on with that, but the maypop's coming along. It's catching. Okay, this is what the purple tomatoes look like. Last week they were just coming up. Purple tomatoes. Cucumbers starting to look good. They're taking off. Again, these tomatoes, I'm gonna take them out. I just need about 3 plants. That's it. I don't need too much of them. Yeah, I've been searching. I only have 1, 2, 3 bunch. I searched the whole vine, and that's all I see was 3 bunch of grapes. Alrighty, this was just a little update. Thank you guys, and I'm gonna give you guys an update every week. Thank you and have a good day.